John Lambert, a 64-year-old retired University of Michigan hospital autopsy room supervisor, had been on a kidney transplant waiting list for 3 years. Andy Boschma, a 33-year-old accountant, learned casually of Lambert's need and unexpectedly offered to donate one of his own kidneys. Surprisingly, however, before that day, John Lambert and Andy Boschma knew each other only through their local bowling league at the Ypsi-Arbor lanes in Ypsilanti, Michigan. Lambert said, "Andy saw something in me that others didn't. When we were in the hospital, Andy said to me, 'John, I really like you and have a lot of respect for you. I wouldn't hesitate to do this all over again.' I got choked up." Boschma expressed the same feeling. "I obviously feel a kinship with Lambert. I cared about him before, but now I'm really rooting for him." Do we know how people are finding happiness in life? Researchers give us a surprisingly clear answer. It's this: happiness is best predicted by the breadth and depth of one's social connections. That's right. Happy people have better social connections. This is called the strength of weak ties, which means that people you just know or have only seen a few times can be more helpful than people who are close to you who actively try to help, if you ask.